Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson on comparisons and preferences. Today, we'll learn how to ask and answer the question, do you like it? To ask, do you like it? We start the question with he pai, or is good. Then we put the word ki, which means to or for in this instance. After that, we say who it is good to, or who likes it. A koe means you. It's necessary to put a before a pronoun or a proper noun. He pai ki a koe? Do you like it? To answer, we simply change the word koe with aho or o. He pai ki a o? I like it. And to say you don't like it, it's very simple. We put ka ore at the start of the sentence. He pai ki a koe? Do you like it? Ka ore he pai ki a o? I don't like it. As said before, it's necessary to put a before a pronoun or a proper noun. But it's also common to hear ki aho without the a, because ki a aho sounds a little strange. To avoid confusion, we're going to use o, not aho, for this lesson, because it sounds better to say ki a o, and it's also correct. We can extend the sentence, adding what it is that we like. Te tiakarete means chocolate. To do this, we put the item at the end of the sentence. He pai ki a koe te tiakarete? Do you like chocolate? He pai ki a o te tiakarete? I like chocolate. Ka hore he pai ki a o te tiakarete? I don't like chocolate. Let's see an example without a pronoun, and therefore no a. He pai ki te kuri te wai? Does the dog like water? He pai ki te kuri te wai? The dog likes water. Ka hore he pai ki te kuri te wai? The dog doesn't like water. That's it. Let's practice while also learning some new words. Ngā hu means shoes. How do you say, does she like the shoes? He pai ki aia ngā hu? Ngā hiripa means slippers. How do you say, she doesn't like slippers? Ka ore he pai ki aia ngā hiripa? Tōu hoa means your friend. Tēnei kūta means this scooter. How do you say, does your friend like this scooter? He pai ki tōu hoa tēnei kūta? Te pikitia means the movie. How do you say, I like the movie? He pai ki au te pikitia. He pai ki a koe te reo Māori. There you have it. Now you know how to ask, do you like it? In Māori. Ka kite.